Juanín. Uf.
Està passant aquí. Mira, 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 mira. Mira, 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 mira. Tot de cotxe. No sé cuántas coches.
¡Madre mía! ¡Madre mía!
¡Cállate, Lourdes!
¿Pero por qué me voy a callar? ¿Qué? ¿Que estoy haciendo vídeo? ¡Madre mía!
Puto heavy,
Què és que estan fent en aquests cotxes? Que hi ha algú dintre? Mira, 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 mira. Mira, 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 mira.
Fresh floods in Spain sweep away dozens of cars near Girona. Fresh flooding has hit the Girona region in northeastern Spain, sweeping away around 30 cars in the town of Cadaqués, Spanish media reported. Video posted by a local journalist showed rushing water flowing down a road and cars blocking a bridge on Friday morning. No casualties have been reported in the latest flooding to hit the country. More than 200 people died last week, most of them in the Valencia region, in one of Europe's worst floods this century. The disaster has sparked widespread anger at authorities for not issuing an emergency warning sooner. Flooding in Cadaqués in the early hours of Friday morning left around 30 vehicles piled up under a bridge, Catalonia's fire service said in X, but fortunately no one was injured or trapped. More dangerous weather is expected in the region on Friday night. Catalonia's meteorological agency issued a rain warning from Friday night until Saturday afternoon for the Alcamporta region, where Cadaqués is located. The weather agency warned that rainfall could exceed 20 millimeters (0.7 inches) in 30 minutes. The agency recorded 76.8 millimeters (3 inches) of rain in Cadaqués on November 7th and 8th, with more than 100 millimeters recorded in two other nearby towns. Spain received 72% more rain from October 1st to November 5th than normal for the period, according to IMET, the Spanish weather agency. The rain, which experts say is worsening due to climate change, caused flash floods that trapped people in their cars. The flooding has caused significant material damage, especially in the city center and nearby low-lying areas. More than 30 vehicles were swept away by strong currents, some stranded in precarious positions near buildings and others stranded near key sites such as the city's casino. Images circulating on social media depict flooded streets with vehicles half submerged or even piled on top of each other, illustrating the force and speed of the floodwaters as they flowed through Cadaqués. The flooding has also damaged several roads and public infrastructure, temporarily cutting off access to parts of the town. Power outages have been reported in affected neighborhoods, while authorities work to restore electricity and assess damage to the electrical grid. Due to these factors, local officials have warned residents to stay indoors and avoid unnecessary travel until the immediate danger has subsided. Cadaqués officials have deployed emergency services, with local firefighters and police leading efforts to control and contain the impact of the flooding. Rescue teams are actively monitoring the affected areas to ensure public safety and assist those in need. While no injuries or casualties have been reported so far, officials are concerned about the potential for landslides in the mountainous areas surrounding the town, especially if further rain falls.